Alright, welcome to Worth It Repairs by Mark, and I'm Mark, and I'm working on a iPad 11 Pro doing a screen replacement. Here I am taking off the screen, and make sure to apply lots of heat to the screen. I preheated mine in my crock pot with silicone pads in it, and it makes it nice and easy for the screens to come off. Use my fingers and a metal pry tool to pry it off. Okay, so we got the screen off. You want to pull it down a little bit and grab these two PH000 screws holding the proximity sensor down. You want to make sure you disconnect that and don't break it. It's connected to Face ID, and then it opens up kind of like a sideways book. And then there's another three PH000 screws covering the battery connection here. You want to take off the bracket here holding it down. Then you want to disconnect the battery as a PH000 screw holding it down. Use a little piece of plastic or a playing card to remove it. Then you got to remove the proximity sensor from the old screen. I use a metal tool and try to get underneath and make sure you don't break it. It's important to keep it hot. The screen is still hot when I was taking it off, so it's easy for me to take it off without heating it up here in this video. And then there's these two PH000 screws. You got to take off the back of the LCD with two cables that you want to keep organized so you can get to put it on the new screen. Then you want to make sure you clean off all the debris underneath the screen, loose adhesive, glass, so when you put down the new LCD digitizer, it doesn't break or cause any unevenness for the screen to lay flush to the frame. Next, you want to prep the screen, make sure you got all the plastic covers out the camera lens and everything. Lay out the proximity sensor on the screen. I use liquid adhesive and I clamp it for about 30 minutes to make sure that it doesn't move and it stays put, so when I put it down the screen, it stays in the right place. Then you want to grab those two ribbon cables and put them down on the back of the LCD with the bracket and the two PH000 screws. And then you're ready for testing after everything. Alright, now let's test the screen and make sure everything works. I'm going to put it back together in reverse because I was very certain that the screen was going to work here. All the connections felt like they went on snug and the repair went really well. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.